Yo. Starting off with earned by time. Current rate is $17 an hour. And we got our first order heading to Starbucks. This is going to be 3.5 miles. I'm actually kind of surprised. The total ended up being $7 for that one, which is pretty good considering the mileage. And it barely took any time. Next up, we've got an IHOP. This one is going to be going 6.5 miles.
The kitchen didn't get the order. Usually it prints for us on the side and prints for them a kitchen ticket. So he can make it. It'll probably take about 20 minutes. And then until they fix it, we won't have any other orders.
Yeah, I'll wait for it.
Okay, perfect.
I really doubt it's going to be 20 minutes actually, because it's only 2 items.
Morning there. Have a great day.
Me too. Okay, I don't think it was 20 minutes, but it was damn near close. I don't know why that took so long. It wasn't even that busy, and that was the only order there that was actually picking up. Everyone else left. Holy! Okay, big tip on that one. I am very glad I did not unassign it. Total for that ended up being $19. Jeez. Thank you. As always, this Walmart order might be a mistake, but it is $13 going 5 miles, so let's give it a shot. You as well, thank you. Not bad, not bad. They came out pretty much right away. Thank you. Yep, no problem. Freaking scared me. Oh, I got the total for that last order right away. Usually takes an hour to update, but it was higher than expected. Total ended up being $14 for that order. And we got the next order right away. This is going to be a shop and deliver for Safeway. $11 going 4 miles, 3 items.
Welcome. If you are finished, skip.
You want to hit me? Hit me then. Oh, how do I get over here? 106 or 206? Because these directions are not matching up. Is this even the right building? Next order up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is going just under 3 miles. Thank you. Ring the bell, please. Okay. Total for that was $8, which is pretty good considering I thought it was going to be a no tipper. Next up, we've got a Chick-fil-A. This one's going to be going 7 miles.
I see that. Thank you. You have a lovely day. What's that?
Total ended up being $10 for that one. Finally got an order. This is gonna be for Sherry's, going 3.5 miles.
We need to, from here on out, making sure that the dashers, no matter whatever, and then you have Tori W.
Yep.
There's your hot chocolate, okay?
Yep.
Thank you for confirming that
Yeah, I
for
heard
me. I
you.
appreciate it. Yeah, thank you. It's a new thing we have to do now.
Total ended up being $7. Decent, I guess. Just got the next order. This is gonna be for Chick-fil-A, going 6 miles.
Ready for Saturday?
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Hello. Just dropping off for Tim. Total ended up being $11 for that one. Not too bad. This is a stacked Starbucks going less than 4 miles.
Now that Sammy saved my bacon.
Yeah, there's Carla's, and then I'll get Sophie's together.
Gotcha. Thank you. Pretty sure one of these did not tip, and it's gonna be the one that had 1 drink only. But let's go find out, I guess. Thank you to them. Always got to give a little shout out to people that have snackies for delivery drivers. And it looks like they both tipped. So the total ended up being $12 for those. Just got the next order. This is going to be for Popeyes, going 5.5 miles.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Surely that doesn't mean it's on the top floor. Yes, it does. Zero tip, by the way. Why are you making me climb stairs if you're not even gonna tip me for it? Total ended up being $6 and change. Very, very garbage. All right, I've been sitting here doing nothing for way too long. I kind of zoned out, to be honest, but might as well do that at home. Current time is 11:20. Total, we are at 108. Let's go home. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.